Morning Yoga Stretch, Beginner Home Flexibility Routine. Welcome to your gateway to a refreshing morning. Today, we're diving into a simple yoga stretching routine designed for beginners. Imagine your home transforming into a serene retreat. This is where we begin our journey towards flexibility and peace. Start with deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any stress. Let your body awaken gently, preparing for the day ahead. Our first stretch targets the spine, a gentle twist to awaken its natural flexibility. Feel the release with each breath. Next, we move into a forward fold, letting the gravity gently stretch our hamstrings. It's a soft embrace, welcoming the day. Transitioning to a warrior pose, we strengthen our legs while opening our hearts. This balance of strength and openness is key. Conclude with a seated stretch, reaching for the sky, then folding forward. Embrace the calm, carrying it with you throughout your day.